I'm Colin Parry, this is Nick Taylor, and this is the opening day for the Wildwood Seagulls. We got a great matchup here. We're going against the Tiger Sharks, me and Nick, Bubba, Aiden Miller, and Chase Cologne. That's the team for the Seagulls. And for your LBI Tiger Sharks, you got Paul Taylor, Bobby Taylor,
Lennon,
Cody, and Cody. And that's the rosters for today. We got a great matchup. I think it's going to be a fair match, 2 games. And yeah. And why are we? What are you doing?
Oh, it's just showing the teams, yeah.
And yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna go into some pre-game interviews, and we'll be right with the game.
All right.
See.
I'm here with Lennon, starting outfielder for the Tiger Sharks. How do you feel coming into today's game?
It's going to be tough. There are no free outs against the Seagulls, so every ball you go to play, we got to make the best play available.
All right. And we're dedicating this game to the birthday boy, Bobby Taylor. Clap it up for him. Now, Bobby, what is your opinion coming into this game?
Well, I think the Tiger Sharks stand a pretty good chance. Go Sharks!
Ooh. Go Seagulls, boys.
All right, that's the interview, Paul.
Sports interview should just get right to the point, you know? We're going to hit the ball.
So what's your opinion coming into this game?
I'm a little rusty. Didn't get much practice in, getting over some injuries, and hopefully we'll do good.
You guys think you guys are going to beat the Seagulls out here today?
Oh, definitely. Yeah.
Okay. I like that energy.
Mark my words.
All right. And we're here with, and we're coming down to Cody. What's your opinion on coming in against the Seagulls today?
That's the most hardest part. I haven't played yet.
Oh, you haven't played yet? Do you guys think you're going to win today? Think so?
Yeah.
I love the energy. Love the energy.
All
Go
right.
Seagulls. I'm here with Aiden Miller, starting shortstop for the Wildwood Seagulls. What's your opinion on coming into this game today?
Gonna win. Gonna dominate.
Are you going to hit the ball?
Absolutely. I'm hitting at least 2.
You didn't do that in baseball. Let's see if you can do it in wiffle ball. In BP, you looked pretty good out there today.
Yeah. I don't know.
Chase, you're playing in PJs today for the Wildwood Seagulls. What's your opinion on coming into this game?
I don't want to be here, and yeah.
Are you going to hit the ball?
Yes.
Guess what? In the last spring training game, you definitely did not hit that ball that well, but you got it inside the Parker.
I wasn't locked that game. I'm locked this game.
All right, I like the energy. The new rookie, Julian Elmore, batting $150 in MLB baseball. And JV baseball. Freshman, sophomore, probably 110 at the most. What's your opinion coming in today's game?
I'm just ready to play.
You ready to play?
I feel like Kobe Bryant with that trophy. If you know, you know.
Let me tell you something, folks. He's not the Kobe Bryant.
Yes, I am. Scored 25 points last season in basketball season.
Last game of the season, it was chucking up threes and praying for the best.
Made 'em.
My betting averages for softball.
All right.
All right.
And we're here with Pop-Up Taylor. What's your opinion on coming in today's game?
It's going to be a beautiful day. No wind, beautiful sunshine. Should be able to see the ball good. I think it's a great day for wiffle ball.
You guys think you're going to beat the Seagulls?
We're going to give it our best shot, but you guys got a pretty good team up, just admit, you know. But we're going to give it our best shot. We're going to play our best defense and see what happens.
And you are a veteran to this league, and so was Bobby and some others. Same with Nick behind the camera. How has it been in this league?
This week alone, this
league.
This league. Okay, this league's been great. A lot of fun, you know. A lot of exercise, good for you.
All right.
Learn the game of baseball.
Go Seagulls.
All right.
Say it first. Well, batty. Go hard, it's a fair ball. got boys at the first base, right?
Take it home. One run in.
Two outs for innings.
Yo, Miller. Make sure you get some further. The debut.
Yeah. It's like really cute.
Yeah, stand like behind the net a little
So
bit.
the catcher is just for like front end. Oh yeah! Good! That boy Cullen!
Yeah, my God. That's fine. Nobody out. Come on, Miller. No, get me in. I want the ball.
Drop in! Come on, Miller! RBI!
Alright, Nick, hurry up. Get me in. I want the ball.
I got you. Who? You're good.
Halfway down the line. Like that's what I'm doing.
Go, Nick. Come on, Nick. I'm a push throw down the middle. You're not going to do it with the guy throw down the middle.
Let's go, Nick.
Green. Hang in there. Follow. It's so good. I ain't hearing that low call. Yeah, well. Hit. Look at that.
Air ball! Chase, you gotta go!
Play it home, coach. Play it home, coach.
I already need us. Sit down.
We got 3, right?
We have 3.
3, all right. Yeah, Chase came home, then
I can.
Miller and Bubba came in, right? Yeah.
Wait, what was it? 3-1?
3-1.
You got one!
Run.
He's there!
Hey. 4-1.
4-1.
Alright, let's go, Miller.
Miller, come on.
Yo. Bro, did you see that? I saw him in that Jaybirds.
You want to get that side of me?
Bro, oh, Miller, you gotta beat that!
Miller, run! Come on.
I saw you the celebration because it was the Blue Jays Toronto thing. The celebration.
Yeah,
It's me, right? Yeah, 3 5 seconds.
Anytime we get a double, right?
Every time you get a double for you.
I'm locking him.
Right, Len.
Hit. That's fair. Fair. Stay. Okay.
Boy!
Aiden, go back.
Catch.
Holy hustle. That was 2 outs.
2. Nicholas got the first out.
No, that was definitely on camera. That might be top 7 plays already.
Figure out, dude. Figure out.
Cody's up. There's like little pieces from there.
Call him. Why did he?
You're running at me. Stop running at me.
High five. Switch. Okay.
Yeah! Holy mackerel!
Wait, what's happening? Wait, what's happening? I wasn't paying attention at all.
Cody got a hit. My dad ran
Wait, can I catch that? Yeah. Oh, my bad. I didn't think about that. Oh yeah, I'm not.
Go home! Go home! Go home! Stay, Cody!
What's that?
4-2!
Wait, 4-2. Wait, no, yeah, 4-2.
No, crap.
Oh, yeah.
Out.
That's no flies in the body. Wind's coming in, we're lucky.
What's coming in?
Cullen! Strike one.
Shut up.
Good hit. Fair ball. Single.
Still batting 1,000. You
So
guys don't know.
what am I batting?
Colin Pally, kid on first base. Kid on first base. He said he's gonna bat 1,000 for the entire season. Right now, he's living up to it.
Run! Stay. Good boy. Go, Miller. Wait, when am I batting?
After me.
No, I'm not like
You're probably batting it like
Seven.
750. Let's see, you had 3 at bats. You got
Two
on
at-bats.
base. You had 3, right?
Two.
2. So you're batting 500 because you got on base once.
And
So you're batting the same as me. You're batting 500. First one, it was a nice line drive, just right to him.
Wait, so if you mess up, is it automatically you can't get 1,000?
Yeah, I mean, what's it called? 1,000 is when you hit every single ball. You get on base every single time.
Miller. Go, Miller, lock in. Good hit.
Fair ball.
Get here, up. Boy. That boy, Miller.
Running.
Let's go.
5-2.
No outs, right? Wait, no. One out. Let's go next. Go get a second. Let's go.
Right.
Good. Let's go.
You always try to do that. I get 2 strikes here, so I'm throwing some stuff outside.
That's all right, you're supposed to do.
Yeah, but it's not working. Now it's going. Tap inside.
Run.
Third.
Lens up. Coach, lens up, pal. Cody, lens up. Yep. You're up after me, Coach.
Oh.
4.
Good eye, Zach. Take your pitch, pal. Way hard! Out.
Bubba.
What's up, Cody?
Holy angle. No, this is a good angle.
Yeah.
So it has a PVC pipe that has Play-Doh.
You put Play-Doh in your bat?
It's PVC, Play-Doh. It's weighted, that's why.
Alright, here we go.
Now batting, Julian Bubba Elmore. Hits one. It's caught.
Bobby.
Second time.
It's good.
You can't hit it towards Bobby. Here, bat.
You cannot hit it towards him, he catches it.
So we're both batting.
Hey, ball. Alright, here we go. Hey, ball. You ready, one? Bad pitch. Reset the count. Oh, yeah.
Did you get him?
Oh, look at the power hitter.
Yeah, I know.
Power hitter.
Give me a better sliding. Yeah, which towards the other?
One here, get ready.
Slip?
I slipped right there, yeah.
Oh, here comes trouble now. Here we go. Look out. He's due, ladies and gentlemen. He's due.
Chase, you gotta score. You gotta score.
Oh, here we go. Julian's up. He can crack him too. Come on, step this way a little bit. Here we go. Play ball. Strike one. One out.
Come on, Miller, you gotta get there. Stay, Miller, stay.
Load it up for the big guy. Where's Harper up now?
What the heck is that thing?
Here we go. Play ball. Somebody was going down the third base line with that. Strike two.
I know what I'm trying to do, Miller.
I know he's trying to lay it right there. Now he's gonna crack one though. Watch out, here comes.
Here, Nick, get here. Get here, get here. Get here, Bob. Down.
You're running away with it.
Who's up?
Oh yeah.
Harry.
What's the score now? Anybody got it?
No, I don't need it.
We're at what score? 8-2. 8-2.
8-2? We had four, we scored four more runs, right?
So 8-2.
Yeah.
9-2?
I don't know.
It's 8-2.
8-2.
8-2.
Fair.
8-2.
I mean, we'll see anything.
Alright, here we go. One out.
That was your pitch, dude.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, I won that one.
Yeah, because nobody sent it.
Strike one.
No out, right?
One out.
Give it out.
Bubba, you are first out.
I'm going to mop it up, I think.
Cool.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. We were doing fast yesterday. Now we're doing laps. Hang in there. That was exactly my problem, but I'm getting used to it now. Run, bro, you bobbled it.
Cody, you're up.
Yeah, it's fourth inning.
Fourth inning?
Yeah, it's fourth inning.
Last inning. You guys, you hold us, you win. Stay there. That's it.
Cody's got a good batting on him. He hasn't cut out yet.
I'm making enough outs to compensate on our DJ.
That's a fair ball. Foul ball. Foul ball.
See the red bag though?
Oh, that's the foul?
That's the foul, and there's the red thing over there. See it?
Ah, okay, that makes sense.
Run hard. Go hard. Go hard. Safe there.
Stay!
Nobody out. Way to go, Paul.
Wait, can I run up and literally do that, or I can run up and try to
You could have, yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. Yeah.
Good eye, Bob. Good eye. None of that high shit. Run hard. That's gonna be out.
Hey, oh, drop it. That's it. Drop it. Shoot.
Game over. That's one out. Double play. Cody ran. Oh, you did? All right, that's good. All right, Lenny, you're up, pal. I thought he got the horn. Go hard. Safe. Run in.
Woo, run in.
Yeah, what up?
Good job, Cody. I take that.
3. 1 out. Turn.
After him, he's upper the line up again.
Yeah.
I wasn't locked.
Miller. Oh my
There?
God, Miller.
Foul ball.
Foul.
No, you might be one of the slowest kids I know.
There you go.
Seagulls take game 1. We're batting for Seagulls.
Alright, guys. Seagulls won game 1. Bubba, what do you got to say?
I think I did pretty good. Could have done better, but yeah. That's it.
Alright. Colin, what do you got to say?
All I gotta say is that we put on a wicked performance. We, 2 doubles on the year already for the first couple ABs. Bubba flew out 30 times, probably still batting above 50. And if Bubba If Bubba can get a double, anyone can, because let me tell you something. That kid, his speed. I'm gonna pass the mic now to Chase Cologne, the kid that has the second highest batting average in the league.
Shop, could did better, but I beat my meat too much last night.
I think we did great. As an overall performance, I think I'm the best shortstop here.
Best shortstop here. Alright guys, we are here with LBI Tiger Sharks captain. What do you gotta say?
It's a beautiful day for wiffle ball.
No, like, what do you gotta say about the game you guys just played?
We played you pretty tough, okay? For you guys had a pretty stacked team over there.
You guys had a good team too.
Yeah, but you guys had the youth, the speed, and you guys were playing good.
Alright.
Pretty good challenge.
LBI Tiger Sharks, Bobby Taylor.
Well, today I'm a Tiger Shark, and I'm really a Wildwood Seagull at heart, but I'm on the Tiger Sharks today. And we still have one more game. I think we're a little bit warmed up now, and I think the Seagulls are getting a little tired, to tell you the truth. They've been eating a lot of cupcakes.
Thinks he's a Wildwood Seagull. We'll see what happens mid-season. Some trades maybe. He might want to go to the Seagulls. Stay tuned. Alright, next up we got Paul Taylor of the LBI Tiger Sharks.
There you go. How you doing?
What do you got to say about the game?
It was a good game. We could have went either way a couple times, but these young guys got us.
Yeah. I know you hit a lot of good hits. Just your team couldn't pull it off.
It takes more than just hitting.
Yeah. Alright, next up we got Lennon. What do you got to say about your performance?
Could have been better. Could have been worse. It was a good start to build on, and I'm ready to hit back hard for game 2.
Alright. Alright, Arlo.
This is our Wildwood Seagulls mascot, Arlo.
What do you got to say? You've heard it there yourself, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. Cody, what do you got to say about your performance in game 1?
Yeah, she's getting her first consultation right now,
We had a whole bunch of powerful hitting.
Good hitting?
Good hitting. And we had good base run.
Good base running. Guys just couldn't pull it off though, sadly. But we'll see what happens in game 2, ladies and gentlemen. Game 2 is on our way.